You can make over $18,000 a month as an affiliate marketing beginner, and you won't have to spend a single penny on advertising. I've got a secret free traffic source that I'm going to reveal to you in this video, so keep watching. We're going to talk about affiliate marketing, and if you know anything about affiliate marketing, you've probably heard that you can make a lot of money doing it, but you can also spend a lot of money trying to get people to your link. If you don't know how to build a website and you don't know how to run Google ads or Facebook ads, chances are you're going to make about $0 with affiliate marketing. In fact, you're probably going to spend thousands of dollars on that paid traffic trying to make this work, and you're just going to be sad at the end of the day. So it's important that you watch this video because I am going to show you how I make over $18,000 a month in affiliate marketing, and I don't spend a dime on advertising, and I've never built a website for an affiliate product. I'm going to show you everything. This is going to work for you if you're a beginner, if you're a seasoned pro. In fact, if you're a seasoned pro, after you watch this video, you're going to be pretty pissed off at all the money you've probably spent on Google ads, Facebook ads, all the time you spent creating landing pages. None of that's necessary. And at the end of the video, I'm even going to show you a secret little website that I've never discussed before. It's an easy way to make some quick money in affiliate marketing. So make sure you stay till the end. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. And with all that being said, let's get right into it. So this is the secret little website that I use to get tons of free traffic to my affiliate link. It's my little ace in the hole. I'm going to tell you about that very soon. First thing you need to do is find a product, and for that you can go to clickbank.com, and this is completely free. Just sign up for an account. It's very easy. If ClickBank is not available in your country, then Digistore24 probably is. So you can create a free account there. It's the same thing as ClickBank. For the example I'm going to show you today, we're going to use clickbank.com. So once you've signed up for your free account, you'll be brought to your dashboard, which will look like this. And the first thing we want to do is find a product. So for that, we're going to come down to the left-hand side and hit Affiliate Marketplace right here. And this will take us to all the different offers that we can promote and get paid. As you can see, there's tons of stuff here. The most popular ones are probably the health and fitness right here. So if you were to click on health and fitness, you'll see all these. Another very popular one that's gaining steam is self-help right here. And you can see there's plenty of products in the self-help niche. So this amazing free traffic source that I discovered will pretty much work for any product here, and you'll see what I mean if you watch this whole video. But for this example, I want you to come all the way down here to sports, all the way at the bottom, and hit sports, okay? And then we're gonna come down to baseball, the second one. Click baseball, and that's gonna bring up these baseball products. Now, how this works is you have all these products that you can promote, and this green number right here is how much you'll get paid if somebody clicks on your personal link and buys the product. So I want to focus right here on this building the perfect picture product, and we can see that if we promote this and somebody clicks on our link and buys it, you're going to get paid $90.89 every time somebody does that, okay? So let's start by just hitting this promote button right here. And when you signed up, you will have created a simple little username, and then you'll want to hit generate hop links, and then you'll want to hit this button right here, and that has successfully created you a personal link that you can use to advertise and get paid for selling that product. So you want to copy this link right here, take it over to a website called bit.ly.com, bitly.com, and we just want to shorten that super long link that ClickBank gave us. This is completely free, so just scroll down here about midway and just paste that ClickBank link in here. And as you can see, they gave us this huge link, but we just want to get a nicer looking one, so shorten that. And this is our new good looking link. So copy that and save it into a folder. So if we take that link that we just created for ourselves and we put it into a new tab, I just want to show you what your new customers are going to be taken to here. So if they click on your link, they'll be taken to this, and it's going to show basically somebody how to become a better pitcher. And if they buy this product, you're going to get paid $90. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get this in front of literally millions of baseball fans that would be interested in this product. Okay, these final steps are very, very important, so make sure you're following along very closely and you watch until the end. If you're still with me, give this video a like. So what we're gonna do here, since we're selling a product that's going to make whoever a better baseball pitcher, we're gonna go to youtube.com, and don't worry, you don't have to have a YouTube account, you don't have to have a YouTube channel. We just wanna search for who I believe is the biggest pitcher in the game today. That's a guy named Shohei Ohtani, and this is him right here. So we wanna find a video that's got a cool looking thumbnail, and right away this one looks pretty cool, okay? That's gonna stand out. So the first thing we wanna do is just play this video, okay, and just let that play for just a second, and then we can pause it. And then what we want to do is copy the link up here. This is the link to that video. We want to copy that and put it in the same folder that you saved your affiliate link with. So we've got our affiliate link and the link to that YouTube video, and this will all come together here very shortly. We want to come over to a website called Sniply.io. Sniply.io. And this is a free website that's going to allow us to put our own personal pop-up onto anything. You can put this on a YouTube video, you can put this on any article you might find in Google, pretty much anything, okay? But I need you to pay close attention. You can pay for this service, okay? They do have, you know, a cheap monthly service, $29 a month. But if you do not want to pay for this, and you don't have to, I need you to pay close attention. So if you don't want to pay for this, you're not going to have the customization options to like make this a different color, you know, all that. And that's not necessary because I found a way around that. So if you did go for the paid version, you'd be able to put whatever you wanted right here where it says your brand, okay? Let me show you how they trick you here. So if we go to sign in, okay? So we can create a free account, but this is where you need to pay attention. Depending on what you're trying to sell here, you need to put something that has to do with that where it says full name, okay? If you put your full name there, then what's gonna happen is it's gonna appear right here where it says your brand. See that? So if you were to put your full name in there, Joe Blow or whatever, it would say Joe Blow on this pop-up, and we don't want that to happen because we don't want anybody to know that we are selling something, us specifically. So when you go to create this free account here, let me get back over there, where it says full name, write something in our case we're selling a baseball pitching product, but if you're selling like a weight loss product or something like that, you'd want to put like weight loss secrets or something. So for this, we're going to put in pitching guru, okay? We can put in anything that has to do with pitching, really, it doesn't matter. Then we got to put in an email here, okay? So go through the email process. You'll probably have to confirm that, and then we'll catch up then. Okay, so now we've created our free account with Sniply.io. So the first step here is to come up to the top where it says create snip, and this is where you want to take the link from that YouTube video, that Shohei Ohtani YouTube video, and paste it in there, okay, and push create snip. And this is gonna come up, okay. So since we didn't pay for anything, our customization options are limited. So when it says select brand, just push the first one here, pitching guru, okay? And as you can see right here, this is what it's gonna look like. This is gonna be the thumbnail of the Shohei Ohtani video, and our pop-up's gonna be right here. And see where it says pitching guru? Now if I would have put my name in there at the time of sign up, it would have said my name. We don't want that, okay? So now we're just gonna go through and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So the button, we got the button right here, okay? And now we wanna add our message, which is gonna go here. So we wanna say something like, learn Shohei's pitching secrets, okay? In caps, learn Shohei's pitching secrets. I wanna make sure I spell his name correctly. So learn Shohei's pitching secret, and you can see that it appears right here underneath pitching guru. Now we just wanna make sure that the click here button is capitalized, so we'll just switch that to caps right there. And then right here under button URL, that's where we want to paste our affiliate link. So we'll paste that there, okay? And then you hit continue, okay? And if you paid for this, if you paid like the $29 a month, you would be able to go through here and customize the coloring and all this. But in my experience, I've never paid for this. This all works fine. You would have also been able to add a little a picture there, you know? It's really not necessary. So once we go through all that, we'll hit finish CTA, okay? And this will take just a quick second here. Okay, and this is going to be our new link. So let's copy that. Okay, it's copied. Let's put it into a new tab, and I'm going to show you how it's going to look. So paste that in there. Okay. And we've got the thumbnail, and here's our link right here. And if we click that link, it should take us to that offer that's going to get us paid 90 bucks every time, and it sure does. So you can see right away that's all working. Now, next step, how do we get this in front of millions upon millions of baseball fans who are going to love to watch this video and click on that link? And for that, we are going to use Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook account, just set one up specifically for this. It takes 30 seconds. You don't have to have any friends. You can have 0 friends on this Facebook account. You're not even using your page necessarily. So we want to go to search Facebook here and just type in Shohei Ohtani, okay? Here he is, Shohei Ohtani right here. And there should be a bunch of different options to come up involving him, but we want to go to pages here, pages. Okay, we want pages related to Shohei Ohtani. These things usually have millions of followers and whatnot. So let's go to, let's see. Okay, Major League Baseball here. This page has 7.5 million likes. So they've got millions and millions of people here that are gonna see this. Now, what we wanna do, you can't post on here, but we can comment, okay? You see that the first post, well, let's see, is this Shohei Ohtani? Okay, this is the Angels, though, so this is going to look good. So see this right here? This was posted 3 hours ago, and it's already got 27 shares, 59 comments, 851 likes. That was only 3 hours ago. So millions of people are going to see this. So let me show you what we're going to do, okay? You want to comment on this, and you don't want to just plaster the video in there right now. We want to put a comment first. So how about check out these Shohei highlights. Okay, these Shohei, again, make sure he's Japanese, make sure you get his name right. Shohei highlights. Okay, space, and then paste your link from Snipply right there, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen. Okay, return. Now in just a second, that thumbnail is going to pop up. There it is. Look at that. So we got this. Millions of people are going to see it. If they click on this, they're going to see the video with your pop-up. Okay? And there it is. Look at that. Boom. You just got this in front of millions of people. Put that one on Major League Baseball's Facebook page with 7.5 million people. So what you're going to do is you're just going to find the biggest ones here. So his team is the Los Angeles Angels. That one's got 1.3 million people liking it. So we're going to do the same thing right there. We're going to go down, and here, look at this. The first one we see is Shohei Ohtani, okay? And so what we're going to do, same thing. This one's already got 259 shares. It's got 4,000 likes. So I'm going to do the same thing right here. Check out the Shohei highlight, paste, return, and we're just about to get this in front of millions of more people. There you go. So we'll just keep doing that, you know? This does not take any time at all. So you probably don't want to go with this one. Shohei Ohtani fans, they've only got 2 likes on that page but you get how this works. If you want to do a weight loss product, you know, go to like Khloe Kardashian's Facebook page and put like, check out Khloe's weight loss secrets. Do the same thing. You can do this all day long, and you're getting millions of people to see your link for absolutely free. As you can see, paid traffic sources are not necessary. You're almost getting this in front of more people using this secret free method that makes me a ton of money. If this video was valuable to you, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching Online Moneymaker.